Crisis. What happens to you and your organization if a crisis hits and all of a sudden the media are knocking at your door, the whole world, all the stakeholders are scrutinizing you? Your very existence could be at stake. You've got to know in advance how you're going to handle these situations. How do you come up with a message? How do you speak to the media? How do you hold press conferences if you need to? How do you deal with the really tough questions? Because how you perform, quite often in the first 24 hours of a crisis, will determine people's views of you and your organization for weeks, months, years, decades, sometimes forever. It is absolutely crucial that you have a plan right now, before the crisis hits, so that you know exactly how to come up with your messages, how to prepare, how to rehearse, how to have good answers, and how to control this crisis before it gets worse, and ideally make it go away. So sign up for the course. You'll learn a lot.